As the 20th century dawned, America's roads were filled with horse-drawn wagons and carriages. Most would vanish when the automobile arrived. But one name defied the odds: Studebaker.
Big new Studebaker.
Step right up, America. From South Bend comes the motor car that's stealing the spotlight. Studebaker. Style, power, dependability. Take the wheel of tomorrow, today, with Studebaker.
That leap to a modern era demanded more than ambition. It demanded proof. So in 1926, on the rolling countryside near New Carlisle, Indiana, Studebaker carved out its own proving grounds. Here, on banked curves and gravel endurance tracks, engineers pushed machines to their breaking point, forging vehicles that would carry the Studebaker name through the Roaring '20s, the Great Depression, and into the post-war boom. This was more than a test facility. It was a crucible of innovation, where every mile meant hard-earned improvement, and every curve and grade told a story of progress. Though Studebaker left in 1966, the steep grades carved for durability tests, the 3-mile oval, the original shops, even the tree line and the company clubhouse, they remain, standing as silent witnesses to a century of automotive history. The grounds now operate as a private testing facility, owned and operated by International Motors. Located on the same 675 private acres of all-purpose terrain in north-central Indiana, the International Proving Grounds provide the ideal testing environment for automotive industry manufacturers and suppliers, their vehicles and components. At its center, a 3-mile oval arcs like a steel ribbon, banked and relentless. Here, machines are pushed to the limit. High-speed runs, brake trials, fuel economy tests. Every new part asks a question. Every lap demands an answer. And the oval is just the beginning. The dynamics area sprawls over the terrain, a controlled wilderness of skid pads and shifting surfaces. Genite and epoxy surfaces for sudden grip changes. Engineers choreograph figure eights and slaloms, forcing vehicles to dance on the edge of control. Lane departure and collision mitigation systems. Nothing escapes the test. Noise is its own frontier, where on the pass-by pad, dual microphones capture every sound, tested against the strictest standards. Even electric vehicles face scrutiny, because at the International Proving Grounds, innovation isn't promised, it's meticulously tested and delivered. Then come the slopes, paved and unpaved grades rising from 15 to a staggering 60%. Nearby, a saltwater basin waits, deep enough to swallow a truck. Corrosion accelerates. Seals are pushed beyond their bounds. Mud pits and off-road trails add their own punishing tests, replicating some of the harshest conditions imaginable. And then, the gauntlet. Structural durability roads that rattle suspensions and twist frames. Cobblestones grind beneath heavy axles. Shatter bumps, impact humps, resonance stretches, all designed to break what isn't built to last. Gravel, chuck holes, and articulation events mimic the relentless abuse of real-world streets and roads, highways and byways. For buses, the Altoona route stands ready. Every mile here is measured, every sound captured, every vibration analyzed. Because here, progress isn't given, it's proven. Since Studebaker carved these roads from the northern Indiana soil 100 years ago, the legacy-defined certainty and durability lives on. The names on the gates may have changed. The technology has surely evolved, but the mission remains the same today. To push vehicles to their limits, to measure what matters, to turn engineering ambition into technical proof. This is more than just a testing facility. It's the International Proving Grounds, a living monument to innovation, and the place where history and progress share the same road.